Wait, time out. You're starting again?
Good.
You started? No. Oh. How much you put?
Fill it up.
Alright, this damn thing will fill up. Is that filled up?
Yeah, it's fine. Wait, are you ready? Are you ready?
Born ready, dude.
Alright, go. You have to swallow it.
It already smells strong.
I'll do it.
You have to swallow it?
You have to swallow it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
And if you cough, cough in the sink.
What happens if we fall? Is it hotter?
Oh my god, my brain! Ow! Oh!
Let Joseph try.
Oh! Ow! Ow! Ah!
Joseph wants to try.
Stop!
How much do I have to put in, Tito?
Oh my nose!
Nice meal. Alright, go, Tito. Get a shot of this person. About to try.
It's in my boogers! Look at that!
How bad is it, Alexis?
That's gross.
Oh my god, my nose burns.
What do you have to do, Tito? Just eat it all?
Alan,
I'll do it, Tito.
cinnamon. Alan. Bring me a toothbrush.
Bring her her
I'm
toothbrush.
gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
What's the matter with you?
I'm gonna do
Ah,
the
my
cinnamon
nose
challenge.
cannot snip it. Ah.
I'm gonna do it.
It's just all over.
Can I try?
Ah.
I have to just dump it all in my mouth and swallow. Do you know how to smoke,
Dude,
Tito?
I have it in my nose.
Can I try?
Why are you laughing, Alexis?
Dumbest idea ever.
For Joseph.
Alright, you're done.